Music Pro adaptive electronic earplugs offer the performance of the ER9 and the ER15 passive musician's earplugs combined in a single device. Music Pro earplugs allow natural hearing when no noise is present and automatic protection when safe levels are exceeded. The following instructions make operating the Music Pro quite simple. Step 1. Remove the batteries from the dial pack. Remove the yellow sticker from each battery before inserting it. Note that the battery has tiny holes on the flat side. Air enters these holes and activates the battery. Step 2. Swing open the battery door. Step 3. Install the batteries. Place the battery in the door enclosed compartment. The battery only fits one way. If the battery is inserted incorrectly, the door will not close. Step 4. Select an ear tip. If the standard ear tips that come on the Music Pro earplugs does not fit, select another. The ear tip that is most comfortable is the best choice, but it must seal well. You can easily hear others when the device is turned off if you don't have a good seal. When changing the ear tips, be sure they fit securely on the stem. The neck cord fits under the ear tip. Step 5. Insert the devices. Insert a device by pulling up and back on the ear. Twist and push gently until the ear tip seals in the ear canal. Foam ear tips should be rolled down, then held in the ear canal for a few seconds until they expand. 3 flanging glider ear tips simply push in. Step 6. Set the dual mode switch. Music Pro earplugs have 2 modes, the 15 dB mode and the 9 dB mode. The 15 dB mode, or natural hearing mode, is active when the switch is toward the microphone. This mode allows natural hearing when it is quiet, and 15 dB protection when the noise exceeds safe levels. 9 dB mode, or enhancement mode, is active when the switch is away from the microphone. This mode provides 6 dB enhancement for soft sounds, and 9 dB protection when the noise exceeds safe levels. On-off. Music Pro earplugs turn on and off by opening and closing the battery door. It is recommended that you remove the batteries when it is not in use, but it is not required as long as the door is open wide enough to disable the circuit. Once you follow these simple steps, you're good to go. Enjoy your music.
Wrist BP monitor. Reading blood pressure. Wrap the wrist cuff around your wrist 1 to 2 centimeters below the palm of your hand. Fasten the wrist cuff tightly by using the Velcro strap. For proper measurements, fasten the wrist cuff tightly and measure on a bare wrist. Sit comfortably with your palm and screen both facing up. Relax for about 5 to 10 minutes before taking a measurement. Raise your hand so that the wrist cuff is at the same level as your heart. Raising the wrist lower or higher than heart level will greatly affect the accuracy of the unit. Press the on-off button. Remain still and keep quiet during measurement. Measure your blood pressure at about the same time every day. The best time of day to take a reading is in the morning and before you have ingested any caffeine. Don't measure your blood pressure right after waking up or even from a nap. Wait for at least 30 minutes. Irregular heartbeat indicator. When the flashing heart is displayed on screen, the unit is advising that you may have an irregular heartbeat. We strongly recommend consulting a physician if irregular heartbeat is detected repeatedly. Memory function. Press the Mem button and a memory reading of the latest measurements will be shown on the screen. Then you may press the Mem and Set buttons to scroll through your previous readings. Delete memory. Press and hold the Mem button until No is shown on the screen. It takes about 5 seconds. Setting date and time. Turn the unit off, then press and hold the Set key until the year displays and flashes. Press the Mem key to adjust the year, then press Set key again to save your setting. Now press the Mem key to adjust the month and the Set key to save. Follow the same steps to adjust the date, hour, and minute.